guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be meal prepping. It's Monday. Yesterday we literally laid around and did absolutely nothing and watched movies. It was a rainy, yucky day. So typically I meal prep on Sundays, but we're gonna get it all done today. We're gonna make mason jar salads. We're gonna make enchiladas. We're gonna make barbecue stuffed sweet potatoes. And what else is on my list? I need to wash my produce. I need to shred some cheese. We're gonna prep some broccoli and some carrots and some veggies and all of that good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy. I am on like a serious health kick of eating super healthy and really trying to make sure I am eating the right things and the right amounts of stuff. So currently I am on like a calorie deficit kind of plan, and just really trying to track my macros and to make sure I'm getting enough protein and not too many carbs and all of that good stuff. So I am using my MyFitnessPal to track all of that, but I'm not doing a certain like diet. I eat pizza, I eat whatever, but I'm just kind of making sure I'm following it and doing it in moderation and not going overboard and all of that good stuff. So we're gonna be doing some healthy meal prepping, but like I said, not necessarily following any strict sort of diet. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. I do lots of motherhood, cleaning, organizing, and minimalist videos, so if that stuff interests you, drop a little comment down below, and also I would love for you to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get meal prepping. Here I am actually just starting some of these frozen chicken thighs. I have been making our dog Macy's food for a little while now, so I just am getting that started for her food, and I just made it with some chicken, rice, and a bag of frozen veggies, and added a bunch of like turmeric and all these different things that are super good for dogs. So now that that is done, I am just washing all of the carrots. I'm gonna cut up our lettuce and then get all of our produce taken care of first. I just washed all of the sweet potatoes and just stabbing little holes in those, and then I'm just going to put those in a baking dish with a little bit of water in the oven for as long as they take. They took about, I want to say, a little less than an hour, maybe like between 45 minutes to an hour to get all of those cooked up, and I just put a little foil over them and popped those in the oven. assembling all of the enchiladas, and like I said, I already had the chicken cooked, so that made it a little bit easier. And we're also using some low-calorie tortillas, so that just makes them a little bit healthier of an option instead of having all of those extra carbs, and they're really good. You really don't notice the difference. So I'm gonna get those in the oven, and then we're going to just cover them with the enchilada sauce, and then I'm going to obviously make a mess, because it wouldn't be me if I didn't make a mess. And then I'm just going to shred some cheese and then get those in the oven with the sweet potatoes. That the enchiladas and the sweet potatoes are cooking in the oven, I am just pounding out this chicken, and I've just found that it's much easier to use a actual meat mallet than to like bang it with a pot or a pan or a cup and other things that I was doing and breaking things. So it was a really good $10 investment. But I am just cooking this right on the stovetop in some olive oil and just a bunch of different spices. I will show you all of those. So I'm just kind of browning them on each side and then letting those cook for a little while until they are done. Took a quick lunch break, but I have my chicken going. I pulled the enchiladas out of the oven. My sweet potatoes are still in there. The carrots are now cooked. I'm gonna rinse off the rest of my veggies. And once my chicken is cooled off and I let it rest for a little bit, I'm gonna cut that up, and then we're going to make our mason jar salads. And then we are going to make our sweet potato stuffed with barbecue chicken. I'm super excited for those, and then we're gonna make a side of broccoli and put that together, and then we are done. The only thing I didn't do today, hold on, was I boiled 2 big chicken breasts yesterday and then shredded them. So they're all in here. I had that done already, but you could always start with that, so that way you already had it, and I wanted to be able to work with it and have it not be hot. So, and I was supposed to make enchiladas yesterday for dinner, but instead we got Chinese food. It is what it is, but that is where we are, and we will finish this up. I'm so excited to try these sweet potato and barbecue chicken. I mean, it's just, I have had both of them obviously, but I haven't had them like put together, and then with the side of broccoli, it just sounds so good and super easy. So I think I'm gonna be adding this into my rotation definitely for at least once a week. All right, so everything is done. We have 3 things of enchiladas. We have boiled carrots that can go in either my salads or just we'll put some butter and some honey on them for dinner, but they're ready to go. We have 4 mason jar salads. We have the leftover lettuce, our remaining strawberries, and we have our sweet potatoes stuffed with pulled barbecue chicken and broccoli. And then we have 1 extra sweet potato, which I think I'm gonna eat because I'm starving. But that is all of our meal prep for the week.